Well, to my people back home and all the British people, I'd like to know that I've done my best, but it seems that this time my best wasn't quite good enough. When the referee stopped the fight last night, I knew what I was doing, and well, I knew that I was being down for a count of 7. It was a surprise, really, but it's no good arguing with the referee because his decision is final. I'm very sorry that I can't be taking the weight championship of the world back to England with me, but when I do go back, I'll be taking something a lot greater than the championship of the world, because I'll be taking the good wishes of thousands of American people that was that show last night, and the people that I've met when I was over there.
Go ahead now. Well, Robbie, as a fighter, Mr. Turpin is about one of the best that I've ever met. As a gentleman, he's a wonderful fellow. Those of you who haven't had the pleasure of knowing him, Randy is one of the most regular guys that you ever want to meet. I only hope that he'll have as enjoyable time here in America, in New York, as I had while I was in England. And I would love to have an opportunity to show him around here in New York City.